Friends, have you ever wondered how to make real money online without investing a single cent? Imagine a platform where just a few clicks can instantly turn into earnings. No complicated skills, no prior experience, and no risk. Yes, you heard that right. In today's world, while millions struggle to find reliable income sources, there is a method that people around the globe are already using to generate dollars and crypto rewards directly from home. If you have ever asked yourself, what can I do at home to earn money? Then you are in exactly the right place. Stay with us until the end of this video, because what you are about to discover can change the way you think about online income forever. In this video, you will learn how one of the most popular earning platforms works, what strategies can help you maximize your income, and how you can withdraw your money instantly. The best part? Everything is completely free and requires no investment. First, let's talk about how you can easily withdraw your earnings. The platform uses a point system called Satoshi. Once you reach 1,000 Satoshi, you can request a withdrawal. All you need to do is add your coin address from popular wallets like Binance or Gate.io in your profile. Then simply select Withdraw. Choose your coin, and within a short time, your earnings will be transferred directly to your wallet. For example, you can even request Dogecoin as soon as you hit the minimum threshold. This platform has been paying users worldwide for years, making it one of the most trusted ways to earn online. Reaching the payment limit is much easier than you might think. You can even cash out on the very same day. Let's explore the main earning options. View Ads section. Here you earn simply by clicking and viewing ads. While the amounts may seem small at first, this step is crucial. If you don't clear your ad section regularly, the platform will not suggest the higher paying opportunities like surveys. Therefore, always complete your ad views consistently. Offers section. This is where the real earnings begin. By downloading and using mobile applications, you can easily earn over $20 right away. Once you complete the offer, you can immediately request your withdrawal and transfer it to your wallet. That is instant profit without any investment. Surveys. Surveys provide easy, sustainable income with no investment required. By giving specific answers and engaging with the surveys carefully, you increase your chances of qualifying and maximizing your rewards. Additionally, you can see the list of the most recent earners on the platform, which shows exactly how users worldwide are getting paid every single day. Another exciting way to earn with this platform is through mobile games. Yes, you heard correctly. By simply playing games on your phone, you can unlock high rewards. Many offers allow you to download a game, reach certain levels, or play for a set amount of time. And in return, you receive substantial payouts. Imagine earning real money while enjoying the games you already love to play. This is not just fun. It is a powerful earning opportunity. The more you engage with these gaming offers, the faster your balance grows. And in some cases, you can even cash out impressive amounts within a single day. Friends, remember this. The art of making money online comes down to system and discipline. By using this platform regularly and following the right steps, you can build a sustainable income stream without spending a single dollar. Today, we have shown you how to earn real money and crypto in a simple and enjoyable way. This platform offers a user-friendly interface, reliable payments, and the opportunity to earn consistently just by dedicating some of your free time. Do not forget to share your experiences and questions in the comments below. By doing so, you will not only help others, but also encourage us to create even more valuable content for you. Stay tuned, because on this channel, we will continue to share many different ways to earn money online. Until next time, keep learning, stay consistent, and start earning today.